Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a length check, how I flat iron my hair video. I know I have a bunch of these, but I wanted to do one on my natural hair because the last one I did was on weave. So I figured why not. I did just trim my hair, so you're actually not going to see that part throughout the video. You're just going to see me flat iron. It's going to look a little crazy because it's a little uneven, so forgive me just ahead of time. In this video, I use my diamond flat iron. You guys know all about this. I have tons of videos up on this flat iron specifically. So if you'd like to see one of those, I'll link it down below with a full in-depth description and tutorial. This flat iron is from Irresistible Me, where I get my clip-in extensions and most of my hair tools from. I'm obsessed, love their brand. Originally this was sent to me about 3-4 years ago, I think that long ago, and obviously this isn't the same exact one. I've gotten a couple since then. I am terrible with flat irons, you guys. Especially if I use them all the time, I drop them a lot, so I have unfortunately broken one, and then this one was sent to me. So I was actually really excited to receive a new one, a fresh one, because I don't know, like, it's nothing like a fresh flat iron. I feel like it just straightens my hair so much better. And the other one just kind of stopped working on me. I hadn't dropped that one, but it just stopped. So it was a few years old. So yeah, I'm happy to get this new one. It has the swivel cord, which always works when you are flat ironing your hair. You need a cord like this, the ones that don't get all twisted and tangled. It has the tourmaline technology, but yeah, I mean, it's just a regular flat iron. It's one of my favorites. It goes up to about 410 degrees. If I hold this down, I can pretty much control, I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's green, it lights up green, and it goes up to 410 degrees. So love it. And you just hold the button down to turn it off. I mean, it's pretty much it. So if you guys want a full tutorial on this flat iron specifically, I'll link it down below. I just wanted to show it to you guys really quickly because you guys will ask, like, what flat iron are you using? That's what I'm using. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I flat iron my natural hair, please keep watching the rest of this video. Okay guys, so I like to start with just combing my hair out, and then I'm going to separate my hair. So I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up and kind of over. So I passed the iron on my hair about 2 times. I did let my hair air dry a few days ago, and then I just been wearing it up in a ponytail, and so that's why, you know, I try not to add too much heat damage to my hair. So I usually just kind of let it air dry and then go over it with the flat iron. So I'm going to basically do this throughout my whole head. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's no special technique I use. I don't do the chase method when I flat iron my hair. I know a lot of people do, but I don't know, I find it hard to do when I do it myself, so I don't do it. But I do it when I flat iron other people's hair, just not my own. So basically I'm going to go throughout my whole head doing this, and I'm just going to work my way up like I said. I'm taking bigger sections because this flat iron is thin, so it tends to get more hair in, so I don't have to do small sections. And as you guys can see, my hair is a little straggly and uneven, so after I flat ironed it, I did go in and trim it. I just did it off camera, so you guys will notice it's slightly different at the end of the video. It looks a lot more one length, I guess, than it does right now as I'm flat ironing it. But yeah, I did add a heat protectant to my hair before I started doing my hair, and then I also added some argan oil so it has a bit of a shine, and it's very, very soft because I do wear a lot of conditioner in my hair. So, you know, a leave-in, but the leave-in leaves my hair really soft. All of the products that I use in my hair, I will list them down below. In this video, you're obviously not seeing me use products. We're just focusing on flat ironing it. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, I'm just gonna let this video rock out. You guys, if you have any questions, leave them down below. It's a pretty self-explanatory, simple video. Love this flat iron. I'll leave a link underneath so you guys can purchase it if you want to. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you in my next video.